one is always a shit. GG's! GG's! Remember not, he just killed it, and in the last one he just make the meat. Ooh! Tom is going for the style. In the second place. Oh my god, this guy just sniped me. Right there. Let's go. Can win this. Number 8 is pushing the just getting that second. Let's go, Umbernati. We can do it. Just need to keep this top free. We clip, but we are still in. No, we lose this. No, alpha. Oh, be free. Safety meme stop. It's for now. We make the meme happen. Goes like that the first. Not the best turn, but oh no, fuck. Oh, snipe him back. Nice. No, we make a really bad ice. Fuck, no. No, 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 no. No. No, this is pain. This is pain, guys. This. We can take the AK-4. Fuck, 3. We said no more memes. Here we are getting last place. Fuck. Okay. No memes. Have a look. First spot, fuck. that corner. We had to push the AK4 and we go straight in the middle. I didn't want to go outside. Yeah, in second, I know that I will lose one more spot till the end, but okay. Pain. Oh, come on! We just fucked this up when we were in the... Can we at least reach that guy? No. We can't. At least we will have a win. Okay, no more memes, guys. Three.